If there are two things I love, it's traveling and creating content. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me throughout those journeys. But I don't wanna just point my phone at everything and call it a vlog. I wanna use different cameras, angles, and perspectives to make you feel like you are actually there with me. Welcome back to the channel, where I bring you guys along for the experience, not just the destination. Before the stories begin, I need to figure out exactly what I'm going to use to tell them. Today, I'm giving you guys a preview of what you can expect from the travel videos coming to this channel. I'll walk you through the cameras, perspectives, and other tools I plan to use to capture the major moments, the smaller details, and everything in between. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how I plan to document these trips to allow you guys to feel as if I'm bringing you every step along the way. So before I pack my bags and officially hit the road, let's go through everything I'm bringing to tell the full story. We're going to start with my primary camera, the Sony FX30. This will be the main camera driving the story throughout the trips. I'll use it for the scenic shots, the important moments, and the smaller details that help establish where I am and what the experience actually feels like. Think of the FX30 as the starting point guard of the setup. It'll control the pace and carry most of the story, while the other cameras and equipment I'll show you later will play different roles and complement the footage that the FX30 captures. The other cameras may give me different angles, a more convenient perspective, or a shot that would be difficult to capture with the main camera, but the FX30 will be the foundation that everything else is built around. Now, before we get into the rest of the setup, subscribe if you want to come along for the adventures, and comment what piece of camera gear do you bring when you go on vacation. Next, we're going to take our attention to the sky with the Sky Rover X1 drone. While the FX30 will keep us grounded and capture the story from within the experience, the drone will help us show the true scale of each destination. I'll use it to capture the moments and locations that feel bigger than life, like massive buildings, mountain ranges, coastlines, city skylines, and wide landscapes that will be difficult to fully appreciate from the ground. It can also help establish where we are before bringing you closer to the action with the FX30. Think of it like the establishing shot at the beginning of a movie. It gives you the bigger picture first, while the FX30 brings you inside the story and captures the details. The drone will not replace the main camera, but it will add a new perspective and help make each location feel as impressive as it does in person. Now, let's move on to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This camera will give me some of the same smooth movement and wide establishing shots as the drone, but in situations where flying may not be an option. It's also small and light enough to carry throughout the day without making every movement feel like a full production. I can use it for steady walking shots, time lapses, and footage inside crowded or tighter spaces where pulling out the FX30 may feel like a little too much. The gimbal can also flip around, which makes it easier to capture myself and bring you directly into the experience instead of always filming what's in front of me. Michaela will probably use this camera most of the time. So while I'm focusing on capturing the main story with the FX30, she can document those more natural moments from another perspective. Think of the Osmo Pocket 3 as the utility player of the setup. It can step in wherever the drone or larger camera is not the best option and still give us smooth, cinematic footage without slowing down the trip. Before we jump into the final piece of gear on the list, I want to dive into some honorable mentions. with the first one being my phone. I probably won't have much reason to pull my phone out while the other cameras are available, but it'll be on me at all times and ready to step in if a battery dies, if storage fills up, or if something happens too quickly for me to grab another camera. It may not have a major role in the setup, but it's a reliable backup that I know will always be within reach. Now for the second honorable mention, let's talk about a 360 camera. This would be for the moments when I need something smaller, more durable, and easier to use without thinking too much of the shot. I could bring it into the water, use it during excursions, strap it to my body, and record the entire experience without constantly stopping to aim a camera. Because it captures everything around me, I can stay present in the moment and decide which angles to use afterward. It could also come in handy during nighttime activity or situations where I want to record as seamless as possible without holding a camera in my hands. The only reason it's an honorable mention instead of officially being a part of the setup is because I don't actually own one yet. But depending on the trips and activities we have planned, that may have to change soon. Now, back to the official list with my last piece of gear I will be carrying, which will be my Meta Ray-Bans. Not every moment gives me the time, space, or freedom to pull out a noticeable camera, like during activities where my hands are occupied, walking through a busy market or grocery store, or anytime I want to capture the experience from my actual viewpoint. They'll also help me capture quick, unexpected moments that could be gone by the time I pull out another camera, change the settings, and start recording. The Meta Ray-Bans will let me capture moments directly from my point of view, making it feel like you're actually alongside with me, experiencing everything at the same time. The footage may not always be the most cinematic, but it could end up being some of the most natural and immersive. Each camera will capture a different part of the journey, but together, they'll help me tell the full story and make it feel like you are right there experiencing it with me. Now it's time to pack everything up, hit the road, and see where this journey takes us.